Hi guys, it's me Afroza and welcome back with a brand new IGTV. Now in today's IGTV, I'm going to review a product from the brand Neutrogena. Now it's the Water Hydro Boost Gel. This is how it looks. Now you guys must be familiar with the name. Also there's a sale going on Nykaa, so if you guys are really wanting to buy it, you can go and check it out. There may be many offers going on this product and you can absolutely buy it at a good price. Now this is a moisturizer for oily skin and combination skin type. I personally believe it is. Now I ordered this product 3 to 4 months back. I used it once. This is my second bottle, and now I can kind of briefly review it, kind of let you know what to expect when you order it. So without any further ado, let's get started. Now this is how the product looks. It is a 50 gram of container, very kind of a bluish color, very pretty color. And talking about the consistency of the product, is very runny, like not a thick texture, very thin, very nice smell, like literally very nice smell. The best part that I like about this moisturizer is that it doesn't make your skin feel oily or kind of sticky or dull even in the monsoons. Like oily people always have a problem of having a sticky face, having dirt clogged into the pores, which eventually give rises to acne, which is a very big problem. So I was like, I wanted something that is non-comedogenic. I used this term earlier on one of my videos, which basically means that a product that doesn't clog your pores. So this was one of them. I ordered it from Nykaa, and trust me, for God's sake, this was worth it. Moisturizer is very important for the oily skin. I won't say if you have an oily skin, don't apply a moisturizer or a sunscreen. That's absolutely bad, or that's absolutely not good for your skin. For me, I think a moisturizer actually is very effective in treating a skin, whether oily, combination, dry, anything it is. Now the price of this product is 950 rupees. It was again very expensive for me for this type of a product, and for this amount I think 950 is very kind of expensive. But you have to apply a little bit, so it doesn't take a lot to get that effect or to get that shine or look, etc. All those people who know me from earlier know that I have been suffering from acne issues on and off lately from a very long time, and I wanted something that could kind of give me a very kind of a nice texture to my skin, or also kind of soothe my acne and pimples, so that any more pimple doesn't happen or new pimples don't come up. So I was like, okay, I have to buy this one. It's absolutely okay if it is expensive or what, but I'll get it. And I got it, I used it. I was so happy with the results. You have to use a little amount, apply it on your face, and then kind of go out anywhere you want. Apply a sunscreen if you're going out, or if you're at home, just apply it after a toner and you are good to go. Like literally you're good to go. So 950 is expensive, I won't say it is not, but for a product that actually makes your skin feel very good and not sticky, dull, etc., you can just go for this one. It's absolutely kind of it won my heart. It is actually the kind of product I would buy again and again if I really have to. And yeah, you can get it from Nykaa again, because sale is going on and you'll get it at a very good price, like a very cheap price. I think they have a discount on this product as well, so go and check it out, and you can thank me later. So yeah, I'll come up with a next IGTV really very soon. Till then, bye bye and take care of yourself.